Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add users to LinkedIn ads. Alright, let's begin. First of all, I want you to do is to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go straight to the point. So, I want you to go to the LinkedIn Business Manager, not the Campaign Manager. Then, I want you to go to this URL. When you go to your Campaign Manager, what I want you to do is to open on the left-hand side the account settings, and here you are going to find this button that says Manage Access. So once you come here to Manage Access, you will see that there is a button to open your Business Manager. So I want you to access the Business Manager and then log in and come to this page. Now, step number 1 is very simple. Once you are in Business Manager, you should go and click on People. After that, when you are under People, you are going to click on Invite People. And all you have to do is to type an email and select the access level. Whether it's admin, employee, or contractor, or you're going to type an email here. Here, you're going to send an invitation and your agency, freelancer employee, will join to your LinkedIn Business Manager from here. If you want this person, if I want to actually go and create ads on my LinkedIn page, then I need to do one more thing. I'm going to go to Pages, and then I'm going to open my page. So, I'm going to click on this button, and then I'm going to land on my page. From the left-hand side menu, I'm going to go all the way down to Settings. Once I'm on Settings, I'm going to click here, Manage Admins, and then here, I'm going to go to Paid Admins. So, click on Paid Media Admins, add a Paid Media Admin. Then you can search by name for the target people, and then I can invite them to run ads on behalf of my page. You will probably have to do both. Meaning that on step number 1, you will have to invite your employees or your contractors through the LinkedIn Business Manager from that people link. And the second thing you will have to do is to come here to your page. Go to Settings, then go to Manage Admins, then go to Paid Media Admins, and then give these people access to run ads on behalf of your page. So that's basically how you can add users to LinkedIn ads. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.